I was scrolling through eBay and then I came across this. Now it's a little kit for a 1/16 scale radio controlled rock crawler, and I thought this looks quite cool. The price seems to vary between £40 and about £50, somewhere between there, but I went for this one. It's a nice little kit. You can buy the controller to go with it, but to be fair, looking at it, it looks a bit tatty, I don't know, it looks a bit cheap. I just don't like it, so I'm going to use my own controller for it. So I thought, right, let's buy this thing. And here it is. You know, it looks like a shoebox. It's had a few bashes. It's not the best condition thing, is it, really, to be totally honest, however. So, let's see what we've got. Right. So we've got. Interior parts. Wheels and tires. The little axles and things. Oh, they're cute. No, they're cute. It's actually quite big. But big is better. More for your money. Ooh. Chassis is made of metal. That's a good start. Windows. More axle bits. Front bits. Steering servos. What else? More plastic springs. Things like that. A bag of screws which are all different sizes and all in the same bag. This is going to be fun. Going to sort them out. Anything else? A box and instructions. Which are all in. Oh, they're not in Chinese, are they? Fine. Instructions in English. Right, so let's give it a go. What is number one? One, here we go. Right. So what? That's its number. What am I putting together here? What's that? It's got a double-ended bloody thing on it. Is that what that is? What's that? It says in the box 8 plus. And I can't even figure out what the first bits are. Right, so we're just under 10 minutes has gone past. And I've made a flippy, floppy, flip. There. 4 of there. Well, this makes no sense. This makes absolutely no sense. But anyway, so what do I need now? They don't even tell you what they need. What are you wanting me to do? What is... That's surely not going to stay in there by itself, is it? Ah! Getting somewhere. Just do as I ask you to do. How's that even end? It's coming off. That's going away. Okay, right, axles we're on to now. Which are where? Here. That's that. Okay, right. 1. That's not right. It shows here that one that goes on the inside joins on the... Oh no, I'm a bloody idiot. Doesn't go on that one, it goes on that one. I put them the wrong way around. Right, so I've done that. So I'm going to put the body together. Right, what does the body do? Let's have a look. My absolute favourite. The number 1 screw. How am I supposed to get a screw in there? Nice and simple. Little opening window. Very good. The wheels on. It's time for wheels. This is the wheels time. This is always when things are good, when you get wheels. Right. boggles, are they all the same? Yes they are, so it doesn't really matter where they go, does it? Right. The electrics for this, there was an option to buy, hang on, I'm just going to tighten some up. So you could buy the control system with this, but it looked a bit, well, crap to be honest, so I thought, well, what I'm going to do is just put another one, a professional one in, because that's a professional servo anyway. That's digital proportional, so it'd be all different amounts of left and right that you want. But I need a receiver, I haven't quite got one, so I'm going to borrow it out of my RC10. Why not? Yeah, we'll back here. Oh. So, one receiver. Happy days. Happy days. So what I've ended up doing is soldering the speed controller onto the motor. I've put the receiver under there with the servo, and I've had to modify a little bit and cut a little flap out here. So all I've got now is the back. Nice hot. Right, it's alive. It's good. Well, there we go. Brilliant. I love the thing. There is a lot of detail on it. Suspension's really, really good. Is it worth the money? All in all, yes, I think it is. And I would probably recommend, if you're buying it as a present for anybody, you'd buy the controller that comes with it, and you wouldn't have to muck about like I had to fit my own one. But to be fair, it's absolutely superb, little thing. Just shows sometimes, go on the internet, you can actually find things that are actually quite cool.